Exporting an animation. Exporting an animation means turning your project into a finished file like a GIF or video. This file can be watched on other devices or shared with others. When you export, the animation is saved in a way that doesn't need the software to play. You can use it outside the program. To export an animation as GIF, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Select the Export Animation option. Step 3. Select the Animated GIF option. Step 4. Navigate to the location to save the animation project. Step 5. Type the name for the file. Step 6. Click on the Save button. Step 7. Specify the height of the exported GIF. Step 8. Select the Loop checkbox. Step 9. Select the Smooth Edges option. Step 10. Click on the Export button. The process of exporting the animation begins. Step 11. Click on the Close button. The animation will be exported in the animation GIF form.